how to use quick login on Roblox. Now, as you can see right now, I'm in my Roblox on my browser, and here's using my account. And now I will use Roblox Quick Login feature to sign into my Roblox app. So I'm clicking on login and clicking on login with another device. And now here you will get two different options to use quick login. You can scan this QR code from your logged in device's camera to log into your Roblox without login credentials, or you can use this code to sign into your account using quick login. So I'm going to my Roblox browser and clicking on this gear icon. And here clicking on quick login. And here I have to enter the 6-digit code from my Roblox app login page. So here's the code. I'm adding it here and clicking on enter and clicking on confirm login. Once done, I'm going back to my Roblox app, and as you can see, I've successfully signed into my Roblox account on my Roblox app without my Roblox password, username or email. So this is how we can use Roblox Quick Login to sign into our Roblox account with credentials. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.